how to create a poll on Instagram in 2 ways. So if you want to create a poll on Instagram, then what you need to do is first open up your Instagram application. After opening, and I need to go with your story, which is on the top left, go with camera and just take anything as a background, and go with the top right, which has that stickers option. And now from here, you will have poll. You need to tap on poll. Once you tap on poll, here you need to enter a question. After that, if you want to add options, you can go and add another options and go with done, which is on the top right, and your poll has been created. Right. You can go with your story and add that to your story. This is one way. Or the second way is you can go back, and here you can go with reel. Under reel, you can go and select any video that you would like to add to your reel. Then go with next, which is on the bottom right. And from here, you will have an option of poll. So you need to tap on poll, which is right here. Tap on it and then add a question. Once you added your question, go with your options, go with the tick, which is on the top right, and that's it. Your poll has been added. You can go with share. And in this way, you'll be able to create a poll on Instagram in 2 ways. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.